Hello. So today, what I was thinking is starting a new video series simply about talking about Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. You know, giving my thoughts on the different cars and occasionally opening up a few cars here and there. I've been saving up these cars here to open up. Now this car I actually just got. The Hot Wheels Art Cars Rigger motor. I just picked that up at a GameStop. The other ones I've been waiting on to use for this video. So the idea here is to start off this video series with maybe opening a few cars and then talking about them. So what do you think? Want to get started? I do. Let me move this little car out of the way. So the first thing we have here is the Fig Rig. It's hard to say it, but it's one of those cars that you're supposed to be able to hook a like a Lego minifigure's hand into it somewhere, and it looks like it might have a spot that you can attach them to in there. So that's kind of neat. We have a Land Rover Defender. It's kind of neat. Now, when I picked up this selection of cars, aside from the Rigger motor, I was looking at they had a twin mill there I almost bought. This was a while ago now. But I saw another twin mill like this one. I usually buy like every variant of the twin mill that I can find, like one of each variant, because I love this car. But for some reason I passed up the last one I saw because I wanted to try to find something new and unique, right? But who knows if I can find that variant that I saw. It was like a bluish, like a bluish variant with a different type of wheels, and it's hard to explain. I think it had a little bit of yellow stripes on it or something. Now, moving on. We got a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. We got a 68 Mustang. Now, I have another one of these in blue that's older, so it's some of the detailing on it's faded, but this one's a little bit newer. And of course, there's the Rigger motor again. We got the Lethal Diesel. This looks like something out of Mad Max or something. That's pretty cool. Then we got a Dodge van. Very realistic looking vehicle with something in there. I can't particularly tell what's inside the vehicle. I don't know if you can see what's in there. It looks like there's like it's hauling another small vehicle or something in there. I'm not really sure what it is. Might be, you know what? I think it's a go-kart. I think there's a go-kart in this. That's cool. Yeah, there is. There's like a go-kart on the inside. And there's some wheels underneath. I didn't notice that when I picked this one up. That's cool. Well, then I think we're going to save the Dodge van for last, because I think that's the best one in this particular selection. And while we're going on about some cars, one that I found not too long ago is this. This is a not Hot Wheels brand, but it's a Maestro, I think is how you say it. A Volvo excavator. It's kind of neat. It's pretty good die-cast car right here. Well, I guess it's not a car, but it's a construction vehicle, but that's a nice one that's sitting up there. And also there's this little thing I found not too long ago. It's an older model. It's a parking lot enforcement car. It's called the 4-1. And I believe it's based off a smart car, but it's souped up and kind of neat looking. And this is kind of neat looking here. So if you can't tell, these videos are just going to be like a car show, kind of. Like just like a car show, like showing off cars, talking about cars, unboxing cars, checking out maybe some of the Hot Wheels sets and stuff, like this thing. So yeah, it's really just going to be a Hot Wheels talk show. Oops. Hold on a sec, I think I broke something. Yeah, okay, there we go. Let's put that back over there. Yeah, this is really just going to be a Hot Wheels talk show. So if we're ready, I've stalled long enough. Let's open up some of these cars. Let's start the fig rig. Also, I do like, some of these cars have some nice artwork on them. Like, they all do, but check that out. Okay, let's open this up. Boom. There it is. The fig rig. Yeah, if I had a Lego minifigure readily available, I do have some. I have a lot, actually. Not sure where they are right now, but if I did, I could show you. They're supposed to be able to attach to the, this piece back here, the spoiler. It's supposed to be like a spot that you can hook a Lego man's hand into, or Lego person's hand into, and you might be able to attach the feet to this. I'm not really sure. Put that back there. Also, this car is purple, and I love purple. Kind of like this one. This is a Fangula. Another older model that's really nice. I'll put that back there. Another purple car. I like purple cars. Let's open up the Land Rover Defender in just 1 second. My background music stopped playing. Now, I'm not really sure how long these Hot Wheels talk shows are going to be, so it'll probably vary from episode to episode until I get the format down right. Okay. Here's our Land Rover Defender. Check that out. That's really neat, and it says Land Rover right on the side. It's a neat model. I like the Land Rover. It's got like brown mud tires on it, like mud tires, or whatever you call those. They're brown because I guess they're covered in dirt and mud, though, which is kind of neat. Corvette Grand Sport. Let's open this up. And then maybe when I'm done talking about the cars. Oh wow, this model is really nice, by the way. This is a really nice model here. I do a little, some clips of the cars, like photos of them, just to kind of, you know, this is supposed to be a car show, so car talk show thing. So we'll see. I have a few ideas for how to make this a little more interesting, but for now, let's just open up these cars and go from there. Check this car out. So yeah, like I said, I have another one of these somewhere that's blue, and the designs on it are faded. But this one's new. Obviously, I just opened it. I'll sit that right there. Very nice car model. Yep, and if you can tell in the background, we got some Hot Wheels City stuff lying around. But that's not really the focal point. The focal point, obviously, is the cars. Let's open up this Lethal Diesel. I had a few other cars I wanted to open up for this video, but I got impatient and opened them up. Oh, I think I messed up here. Yeah, I had some other models that I wanted to save for this video, but I couldn't help myself. I can't save them that long, so I ended up opening them before doing this video. I managed to save these ones, though. I can't get this one out. There we go. Yeah, see, originally there was going to be like double the amount of cars for this video. But then I ended up opening half of them early because I just couldn't wait any longer to get them out and check them out and roll them around and play with them. This thing is neat. So what we got here, this is a track star, I think. So it works right in track, but it looks like almost military-like in nature, which is kind of cool. It's like an armored car. That is a neat model. Nice shiny engine on it. Okay, do we want to do Rigger Motor or the Dodge Van? I think I want to do the Dodge Van last. Now, Rigger Motor is an awesome car model. I have some other Rigger Motors lying around. I remember back in the day, this older models of this car actually had little skulls on them. I guess they got rid of those because the little skulls were rubber. They were rubber. They were like the headlights, and they were rubber. I guess they don't really use rubber on the cars too much anymore, so they got rid of it. But that's a little detail I thought you might like to know. Is that Rigger Motor used to have little rubber skulls on it back in the day, right about there. But it's a really nice car either way. I mean, look at the wheels. The wheels have skulls on them. I don't know where my other Rigger Motor models are, but if I can find them, I think at least one of them is old enough that it still has the skulls on it. I miss those. Still, everything else about the cars, as far as like the model goes, are pretty much the same. It's a really nice model. And yeah, I believe it's based off of originally the Munsters car or whatever. But yeah, no, this is a nice car. Especially in these black and white colors, that's really neat. Sit you right there. Okay, that Dodge van that seems to have a go-kart in the back. I gotta take a closer look at this. Come on, open up. There we go. That one opened up nice and smooth. There's our Dodge van, or my Dodge van, I guess. Yep, look in there. There is a go-kart in there. And looks like there's also spare tires and stuff in there too, so that's cool. That is a neat addition, like, to the details of the car. Is that nice shiny go-kart in there. I like that. And the interior is very shiny on this car. I like this car. Yeah, neat model. Alright, so those are the newest models that I've picked up in a while. Aside from a few others that I picked up before picking up these that I just couldn't wait to open, and unfortunately because I already opened them, we can't unbox them here, but here's one of them. It's called the Mid-Drift. This is an older model. One of the cars I was gonna save for this video that I didn't save for the video. The Fangula, the Twin Mill, obviously, like this vehicle here. These are all, most of the vehicles back here were ones I was going to save for this video, like the Porsche Panorama Turbo Police Car. So yeah, there's a bunch of cars back here that I was going to save just for unboxing. But we can still talk about them. Like here we got a GMC Cyclone. As far as I know, this truck is something that a lot of people were looking for. I think they were specifically looking for the black variant, because I seen people talking about how much they wanted to find this truck. So I don't know exactly why, the reason. Maybe they were looking for a treasure hunt variant or something, but I do like this truck. This is a very nice truck, so I can't blame people for wanting it so much. It is nice. Another vehicle I was gonna do and I was gonna unbox was the Honda Racer, but I already did. So, but it's also a neat car. It's even got the a little bit of detail on the bottom, not a lot, but it's got a little bit of detail on the bottom. This one's a Matchbox. We got this one actually, as cool as it is, this is the Swamp Commander. One little thing disappointed me. I thought these wheels would pop down and maybe even still roll, because it's a swamp car. It's a boat car, but the wheels don't actually fold out. But it does have these wheels down here to keep it rolling. but the actual wheels, the car wheels on it, don't fold out, unfortunately. That disappointed me a little bit. Or if they do, I can't seem to get them to fold out. So it's a really nice car model, don't get me wrong, but the fact that these wheels don't fold out is a little disappointing. But it's still a nice car model overall. Alright, so that was most of the cars I wanted to talk about, I believe, in this particular video. Oh, there's other cars, don't get me wrong. We can do videos for days about these cars, you know what I'm saying? Like here, we're not gonna, obviously not gonna do it that long, but we'll do more episodes, but we won't like make one episode so long that like no. I don't want the episodes to go maybe more than 20 minutes, so we'll see. Sometimes I get carried away. Here's another one with the skull wheels on it, which is kind of neat. Would go good with rigger motor up here. It's even in the same colors. I don't know if this one has a name on the bottom. I don't remember what it's called. Then we got a muscle tone here, which also has skull wheels, but they're in different colors, purple and green. That's really cool. Alright, so I think we've talked enough about the cars that are on screen right now. Like I said, this is my first episode of the series, so it's going to take some getting used to for me. Oh, we got a fire truck here. I don't know why I wanted to put that fire truck on the screen, but I did. Alright, thank you for watching this. If you have any, like, comments for how I can improve this series and stuff like that, how you would like to see the cars, talking about the cars and everything, please let me know in the comments. Because I want to do more videos where I talk about the cars, because that's fun. Alright. I think I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully I can do a bit of a better job on the next one with how I discuss these cars. Thank you for watching. I hopefully will see you around another video. I will be making more videos. And probably some more racing videos too. It's just going to be a little bit. Alright. See you around. Bye.